You've been using ChatGPT, but what if I told you there are some insane tricks that most users still don't know? These aren't just tips, they're game changers. Let's unlock them, one by one. Trick 1. Instant brainstorm in 3 modes. Don't just ask for ideas, ask ChatGPT to give you options in 3 styles: safe, unique, and wild. Prompt example: give me 3 startup ideas in the fitness space, 1 safe, 1 creative, and 1 totally out of the box. Instead of cookie cutter results, you get a range of ideas, from proven to completely original, perfect for brainstorming when you're stuck. Trick 2. Turn any prompt into a tool. Want to use the same prompt over and over? Turn it into a fill-in-the-blank template. Act as a role. Write a type of content for audience about topic in a tone. You save time, boost consistency, and never face a blank page again. Just fill in the blanks and go. Trick 3. Add a thinking persona. You can literally tell ChatGPT how to think before it responds. Prompt. Example: before answering, think like a strategist and break the problem into 3 parts. It slows down ChatGPT's logic and forces a deeper, more structured response, almost like building your own thought process into it. Trick 4. Reverse prompt engineering. See a cool piece of content, ask ChatGPT to guess the prompt behind it. Prompt example: here's a tweet. What kind of prompt could have generated this? You can recreate high-performing posts, blogs, or even videos by working backward from the result. A secret weapon for creators. Trick 5. Expand 1 idea into 10 assets. 1 idea should never equal 1 post. Ask ChatGPT to multiply it. Prompt example: take this idea. Sleep better by cutting screen time. Turn it into a tweet, blog title, Instagram caption, and email subject line. You instantly get a whole content campaign without brainstorming from scratch every time. Great for creators and marketers. Trick 6. Instant tone shifting. Need to sound formal, fun, sarcastic? Just ask. Prompt example: rewrite this in a funny tone. Please join our newsletter for updates. You can test different voices in seconds, perfect for A/B testing, branding, or just standing out in your niche. These ChatGPT tricks aren't just cool, they unlock a whole new level of creative power, speed, and strategy. Master even a few, and you'll work faster, think clearer, and create like never before. If this blew your mind, give it a like, hit subscribe for more next-gen AI content, and comment which trick you're trying next or one we missed.